Yo, hello traders, it's the trader right here, and thank you very much for checking on us today. And in this video, I will analyze volatility 75 or V75 for you, and I will tell you my opinion towards what's going to happen next time or in the coming days, right? Based on the fact that I'm a price action trader and I'm a naked chart trader, so I will analyze it because I use pure price action. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you have not watched my video that I made, I was able to make about 8.7k in profit trading the volatility 75. You can click on the card right above here and watch that particular video. Then you can come back to this video and watch it so that you know exactly what's going to happen in the next few days or in the coming days, right? Yeah. So me personally, I started trading 2017, and right now I'm 3 years trading forex, but 2 years profitable in the market. Yeah. So right here, let's dive into my computer where I can show you how to analyze volatility 75, and I will tell you my opinion towards what's going to happen, right? So let's head over to my computer and let's analyze, guys. Yeah, hello everybody, Israel the trader speaking. So right here it is what you call volatility 75, and this is for our time frame. So I will tell you my opinion and perspective towards what's going to happen in the coming days or in few days, right? And as you can see, this is for our time frame. A little bit about myself: I'm a naked chart trader and price action trader. As you can see, my chart is very naked. It doesn't have any indicators or anything that will kind of give me signals or things like that, right? Because I'm a price action naked chart trader, so that's why I don't use any indicators to trade in the forex market. Because as you can see, if you watch some of my videos on YouTube, you will discover that I'm a naked chart trader and price action trader because I don't use indicators. So right here it is volatility 75, and this is for our time frame because I use for our time frame and daily time frame to do my analysis and to trade it. So I don't scalp the market. I'll just wait for my first TP, second TP to hit. But right here, as you can see, this volatility 75. So let's go down to daily time frame. That's the first thing that we are supposed to look out for. Then we'll now come down to 4 hour time frame and do our analysis right there, right? So as you can see, this V75 daily time frame. And since this is daily time frame, what we are supposed to do right here, we check out for the overall trend of this particular market. And as you can see, the overall trend of it is going to the upside, right? So yeah, since we already know that the overall trend it is going to the upside, but we are seeing something on the daily time frame. As you can see, what we are seeing on the daily time frame is this V75 is trying to make an information on the um on the daily time frame. Let me try to change the color to this. Yeah, as you can see, it's trying to make information on the daily time frame, right? So this will be the a very good opportunity for us to go and check out for what's going to happen on the 4 hour time frame. So let's try and clear this. Then we go down to 4 hour time frame and know exactly what we are going to be looking out for in the market. So as you can see, this is our 4 hour time frame right here. Then you zoom out to see where are your support and resistance levels. As you can see, the market has been respecting this level when it was here, right? But when it reaches this place right here, break it to the upside and retest again to continue going up to the upside, right? Because if you remember, market structures and things like that, I just I kind of explained to you how an uptrending market moves. So uptrending market usually moves um a high, low, high, low, high, low, right? So as you can see, this is how an uptrending market moves. This is a high, low move, and this is a high. And what we are supposed to see right here again, it is another a high, low, then another a high. So this is how an uptrending market moves, of which this is what happened on the V75 for our time frame. So let's try and clear that before um, we continue it, right? So as you can see, that's what happened on this V75. So this is lower, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, then high, low, high, low, high, low. So right now, we will be expecting V75 to sell maybe in few days. But right here, let's go and see what's going to happen, right? Then you put your support and resistance levels right like this, because you need the most touches possible for you to put your support or resistance level, right? So right here it is our support and resistance level for this
of V75. So we're trying to put it right here, right? So let's continue putting the support and resistance levels for this particular pair being volatility 75. So yeah, volatility 75. Okay. So as you can see, this is our support and resistance level for this volatility 75. So right here, as you can see, the market has been respecting it very, very well, right? So yeah, and remember this for our time frame. So right here, what I'm seeing now is that the market just came down and retest this previous high. This was the general high, I mean overall high. This is the highest point that the market reached so far ever since kind of we start trading this V75. And right now came down for retracement and went up for higher high. So right now coming down for another level, right? So what we are supposed to be doing right here, you can do something. So right here, what we are supposed to be doing right now, I'm seeing the market is trying to be in a range, right? So I will take my ranging price range, then I will not signify that okay, the market right now is kind of in a ranging zone, right? So let's try to just make it right here so that we'll be observing any breakout.
I'm sorry for cutting you short. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we do share some kind of tips and tricks of how you can be profitable in the forex market as well. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you have any question, just DM me. I'll answer your question right away. So let's continue, guys, and thank you very much.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a price range, and right now volatility 75 is just stuck in a range, right? And usually, how do we trade a ranging market? You should be able to know how we trade a ranging market, right? So usually, some people say we sell high, buy low, right? Sell high, buy low. But right here, how we trade a ranging market is when the market is at the highest point, it will come down for a high, low, then lower high, then lower high to the upside like this, then another a high low move. Then right now what we are waiting for this V75 is if this V75 is able to break out of this line, as you can see right here, price 522,078.9114. Once it's able to break out of this, it will come down and retest this line. After retest, it will come down for the lower low, then it will go for lower high. Once you come up for lower high and retest this line, this is where we'll get in for the sell right here. We'll get in for the sell to sell it all the way to the downside based on the fact that we will swing this volatility 75. So right here, I'm waiting for the V75 to break out of this. Once you break out of this and retest this line, then I will consider it as a valid sell and sell it all the way to the downside. So that's what I'm waiting for, this volatility 75. And in the way around, there is another thing that can still happen for this V75. It might just come down right here and it might act as a support to support the market to go up for another lower high. Then in this case, I will now consider this market as a ranging market, not sorry for that. I will consider it as a ranging market, not a downtrending market, because ranging market usually move a high, low, lower, high, low, lower, high. So once it's not able to break this my previous support level, I will consider the market to be a ranging market. So right now, what I'm expecting this V75 to do, it will sell once it break out of this 522,078.9114 price and come down to this 49225 price, then it will come up for retracement. Then at the end of the retracement, then that's where we are supposed to sell this V75 and ride it all the way to the downside, because we are supposed to be looking out for some sort of price action signals right at the previous support level, because you know that in a down trading market, support turns to resistance, support turns to the resistance. That's what is happening in a down trending market. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, and this is the analysis for volatility 75 for our time frame.
Yeah, you made it up to the end of this video, and I really appreciate your presence, and thank you very much for checking out on us today. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe icon below and hit the bell notification icon so that whenever time I upload a video to YouTube, you'll be the first person to get it. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, follow us on Instagram and things like that, right? So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.